Alright, welcome back. Welcome back to Damis TV Hub. Right now, so today for the learning of today, we'll be discussing on how to set up the emoji admin dashboard for the VTA users. So let's go straight to this browser we'll be using. So click on our browsers. So you can see that I've already logged in. I already logged into the account I want to be using as the case study as a sample for this particular tutorial. So I've already logged in. Then as you can see, right, there's the admin dashboard. You can click on the menu here to check notification if there's any messages from any of the users, then and shortcuts to check failed transaction, to check successful transaction, to check the pending rates, and then to check successful rate, then to check the loan activities, and then to upgrade your users from probably from smart users to end users to API users to affiliate users. You can make use of the upgrade account users here to do that. Then you can click on the last one here to easily log out. Then as you can see at the dashboard, you can say welcome back admin, which is the admin of the site. So you can easily credit your users through this button here, or you can add customer. Click on the add customer, like you can register new users. Just input the users details. Once you get the users details, then you easily input it here to register such users. Then you submit, and then you can decide to close any of the two. So for now, I just use it as an example, so you can easily go through it at your own layout time. Right now. So they just go straight to the main point here, which is the main activities. As you can see, the place that shows data wallet balance, it includes the site name. So currently now the site connected to this particular website is ab is abztech.com for the data aspect, and then for the VTU aspect, the API using the connected one is adesplug.com, and then the available balance is actually 0. The available balance on the API wallet is actually 0. So you can click on this. Then you can see, as you can see, the menu that pop up here, the manage users account. You can check your verified users and then unverified users, and then you can ban users through this. Then you can navigate and go through it. It's really easy to access. Then you can check the user's transaction as well. User's transaction, as you can see, the on the pop-up is successful transaction, the failed transaction, and then you can check the all transaction as well through the user's transaction. So the next one is the message. If there is any message you want to deliver, probably pending airtime to cash, possible one of your users initiates airtime to cash through your platform, then you can easily make use of this to approve. Then you proceed, then approve airtime to cash, and then you can cancel. Then you can check if there's any pending bank payments, and then you can approve any bank payments you have. Then you can easily cancel. And then for the modify users, you can check if there's any modify deposits. So as you can see, to just check. Right, now let's go to the next one, which is finance management. Finance management is where you can credit your users, you can upgrade your users, you can deposit users, and then you can create coupon code based on you. Anyone you want to, just make sure you make use of. Okay, now for you to debit your users, you just input the amount, and then you get the user's name, then you debit the users. That means you are deducting from your users dashboard. Then to credit, that means you are adding fund to such users. Adding fund, you do the same process by input the name and then the username of your users. And then the next one is the upgrade user. You want to upgrade your users, as I said earlier, you input the user's name, user's username rather. After inputting the username, then you select the type of account you want to. Probably you want to go for smart. You want to upgrade the account to the users account, you want to upgrade users accounts to smart users, or probably to athlete users, or to top up users, or probably to API user. Then you just select anyone you want to, then you click on proceed. Then it asks you that, are you sure, truly sure you want to make the users such, then you can easily just click on okay, you're okay with it, then you proceed. Then to this, which is percentage discounts and charges. For airtime discounts, you can set the airtime discount: MTN Smart users, MTN Affiliate user, MTN Top Up users, MTN Smart user, Yete Smart users, Yete Affiliate users, Yete Top Up users, Yete Glow Smart users, Glow Affiliate users, Glow Top Up users, 9 Mobile Smart users, 9 Mobile Affiliate users, 9 Mobile Top Up users. Then you can set the percentage based on you for that of airtime, and then you proceed. Then the next one again here is the share and share discounts you can set. Airtime to cash discounts you can set. Airtime to cash discounts you can set based on you, the discounts you want to deduct on every conversion, on all of the conversion rates. You can just set it based on your own convenience as the admin of the particular platform. And then the cable charges, and then the exam charges as well. So you just set as you feel like based on your own convenience. Then here, the lock and unlock service. In this particular area, this is where you can decide to on and off any of your services. Probably you want to on and off your data services, you click on the data services. The airtime services, you want to off it, you click on it. The cable services, you want to off it, then you click on it. You want to on it as well, you click it, and then you disable. Then the exam services, which is the exam pin, the NECOS, WAEC, and then the NAPTEP, any of the cables or any of these pin you want to disable, you can easily click on it. So as you can see, any of it, anyone you want to off, just click on it and then disable, and then you proceed. Then add bundle. This is where every users have to work. Actually, you can check to view the numbers of data you have on your platform. You can, by clicking on view data plan, to check the available data you have. And then possible, if you move from one API account to another API account, whereby you change your API key, it's mandatory for you to come and check this. So for you to uncheck and to check, whereby you can switch your account, like to edit the plan ID. What I mean by the plan ID? The plan ID are the numbers that shows here. The plan ID are the numbers that shows here. As you can see, data ID. As you can see, the data ID. So it's mandatory for you to check so you can easily edit. For you to edit, you can easily click on the edit icon here, which shows the pencil, and then you want to delete any of the plan, you can easily delete. So for example, now let's use this one. Yes, are you sure you want to edit? Then you click on okay, you want to edit. I just use number one as an example. Then you input the plan name, then the amount you want to set for smart users, the amount you want to set for affiliate users, the amount you want to set for the top up users, then the amount you want to set for the API users, the amount you want, the particular plan data plan ID, which you get from the source you want to vend the data from. Then you click on the network, then you proceed. So that's that for that aspect. And then for you to add any add any plan, so you can easily click on input the plan name, then you set up your price, and then you click on proceed as well. So that's that for that aspect. And then the cable as well, you can easily do the same thing. Then notification, for you to check if there's any notification. If possible, you want to send notice to any of your users, you want to send message to any of your users, you can easily enter user's username, and then you input the sender name as well, then the description, then you input your message here, and then you send it. It will reflect in such user's dashboard. as notification, or possible it will even deliver in the user's mail address. Then testimony from your users, you can check if there's approved testimony, and then if there's any pending testimony, then you can approve anyone as well. And then loan activities if anyone contacts you for any support. So this aspect is only valid if anyone contacts you for any financial support in the sense of funding your wallet, then pay you later, stuff like that. So that's what actually mean by the financial aspect. All right, now let's proceed to the website setting, which is the first one. The website setting, you input it, then you input your to correct your website information, the website name. Then you want to change your web image, your website image. Then possibly you want to change your phone number, you want to change your email address, then you want to change your address, then you want to input your this thing as well, your social media handles. You want to input your social media URL, what I mean by social media link. You can easily click it, like we can easily upload it here. Easily upload it here. Then you want to change your dashboard color, you click on dashboard color at the bottom end here, then you click it. Then you want easily select like color you want to go for. Then if among the listed one, the one listed there, you are not satisfied with it, you can easily click on more. Once you click on more, then you color mixing. See, I hope you get. So you can easily click on anyone you want, then you click on set. After clicking on set, then you easily proceed. Once you proceed, then it automatically reflects in your dashboard. Thank you for following us right from the onset. Then if you are actually new to this channel, can you help us with the subscription? Can you help us hit the subscription button to subscribe? And then if there is any inquiry you want to make, can you drop it in the comment section, or easily link up through the mail address or the phone number, the WhatsApp contacts dropped. You can easily access us through the WhatsApp, and then you can easily put us on call as well. Then management, the web management, whereby you can uncheck and uncheck anyone you want, and upgrade users price. You want to upgrade your users price, then the amount you want to set for them to get to be a particular to join a particular platform, whereby affiliate price, the amount you want them to pay before they can join the affiliate price, then the amount you want them to pay before they join the top up price. So you based on you, 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 then the welcome message you want them to receive. As you can see, if you want to disable it as well, you can easily click on this, enable and disable notification, then you can easily click on it to disable it. Straightforward. Then the next one is the minimum and the maximum money. As you can see, amount minimum money, account minimum money. The amount you want to set should be the minimum amount available in such users platform, your users account dashboard. The minimum, then the referral and then referral minimum money to withdraw. If you want them to withdraw direct to their bank, the minimum you want them to be withdrawing is 1,000 naira for the certain one. Then if you don't want them to withdraw, you can easily erase it and make it zero. That means it should not be even. You can even erase it, and then there should be not be any amount, any figure there. Then you are good to go. Then refer price, anyone that refer, then year time minimum money as well. Just set it based on your own convenience, and then your website name, then airtime to cash number. I think as we all know, you want to go into airtime to cash. Just input the amount you want to set. Input the right phone number. You'll be receiving the airtime to. Then the contact you is between you and your users, and then the big tax involved here, which is actually the lowest tax. First, which is the API integration. The API integration. As you can see, just click on the API setting. Once you click on the API setting, then you mind you, for you to make use of these particular features, right? Mind you, to make use of this particular, right? We proceed. Mind you, we need to first visit the sites we want to use the API, whereby we already register on our particular platform. For example, now let's say we want to use, let's say we want to use VTU Connect. Yeah, let's use that one as an example. We want to use it as the source of our API. Then first we have to what? Register on the platform. Then after the registration, we contact the support, whereby we contact the technical team, possibly the technical team or the contact support listed in that particular platform, and then we request for their API access. After requesting for the API access, then we wait for their response, and then they upgrade our account. They upgrade your account. After upgrading your account to API users, then you can what? You can now have access to the API key. First, mind you, there will be a particular customized token code for you. There will be a customized token code for you. Token code for you, like token number. Once you have access to that token number, your own particular token number, not the public one. No. Once you get your own, then you copy it, and then you come to general API, and then you erase the one here, and then you paste the token one, or you paste it here, and then you copy the public API URL, API link. You copy it and then paste it here. Then you scroll down in that particular API documentation, you get their API, VTU API. You come here and then you paste it here. Then you see their API link. You can just use this as an example. Anything related to this one, which is the one of the top up, or possibly the API, just copy it and then paste it here. The one of the data where you see it. You can even vend from other websites. As you can see, that the sites here are different from each other. The particular person that vend this stuff is actually the person is vending the data is different from the one vending the airtimes, and then the cable source is different from each other. Then you can easily save. Make sure you copy the right code, the right keys. After copying the right key, then you save it. Then after saving, it will now reflect in the dashboard here. It will reflect in dashboard. When you found your wallet as well, anytime you found your wallet, then it will reflect here. So that's that for that particular aspect of the API. Then we can now move to the next process, which is the payment gateway. Then as you can see, we have the bank details. Just input your bank details. As you can see, the owners of this account already input the bank details you want to use. After inputting the bank details, then you click on proceed to proceed, and then you can click on the next one, which is the Monify. Make sure you get your Monify account ready. Then you copy the Monify API key. Then you copy the Monify secret key. Then you copy the Monify contract number. Then you enable it. For example, now I have a particular account which I'll be using as for practical sake, whereby the Monify, okay, you have it here. It's actually a demo account because yet to verify. I'm not that Monify fans actually. I prefer Paystack according to my own. No, I prefer Paystack. So you come after you log into your Monify account, then you come straight to developer. Come straight to your developer to get the API keys you need. Then as you can see, API key. You click on copy to copy the API key. Then you go back to your particular platform. Then as you can see, Monify API key. You erase the one here. Then you usually paste it here. Then the secret key, come back to the Monify account and then copy the secret key. As you can see, the secret key, you copy the secret key, then you input. You input the secret key, you paste it there, then the Monify contract number, you come here and then use the contract number. As you can see, you copy the contract number, then you go back to the site to paste it there. to paste the contract number there. Then you click on what? To click on the enable to enable it. Then you can copy your modify URL, callback, modify callback URL. You copy your modify callback URL. Then you come here. Once, mind you, this particular account is actually a demo account, which is testing, only available for testing. Then if your account is live, you will be seeing the same core URL, or possibly you can paste the one available here, the core URL available here. You can paste it in your particular platform. After pasting it in your particular platform, then you proceed, or you copy this one and then paste it in your modify. If that is the case, then you click on proceed. So that's that for the API, for the setup of the modify. Then if there's any other issue, any other comments, there's any other complaint regarding the modify, contact the modify support. Possible your users found their wallet and then it didn't reflect. Mind you, it do occur. That one do occur due to the transaction, the delay between the time range of funding between the users and then the modify. Anything you do, there is always count down for anything. Count down. If there's actually delay, then the admin of the particular site will have to contact modify to get the money. So far, your money dropped in your modify dashboard, and then your money dropped in your modify dashboard, and then your users didn't reflect your modify in the users account. That means such users actually did something wrong. So thank you for watching this video to the very end. Then one more thing again. Okay, add bundle, the VTU plan, like the cable subscription side of it. You can add any particular plan. This thing, enter reprice. Okay. So you can, the API you want to use, enter the reprice and then the cable plan ID, of the API you want to use. So that should be important thing. Thank you for watching this video to the very end. Thank you. If you have any users you want to highlight on how to go about it, kindly do where to share. Then remember to on the subscription. Remember to subscribe and then on the notification button so as to be notified in any time we publish and upload any other video. Thank you for your time. Thank you for the patience so far.